Hi friends and welcome to Healthy Natural Remedies. Offering food means Naivedya to the deities during ritualistic puja at home and temples is an inseparable and common practice in Hinduism and other religions around the world. Naivedya simply means food offering to God. The word Naivedya comes from Nivedan, which means to offer. Upon offering, it is assumed that the god has accepted it, and when we partake Naivedya, it becomes prasad, means blessing from the god. Offering Naivedya is the last step in Shadshopachar Puja. Every time food is prepared on any auspicious occasion, it is first served to the deity. It shows that we are grateful for the food we are eating. Since the food is not tasted by anyone before offering to the deity, it is the purest form of meal on that occasion. Offering Naivedya reminds us that food is not merely intended to appease our taste buds, and that we accept it as a divine offering from God. Some studies also prove that food tastes better as well as gets digested better every time we are grateful for it. This is the reason many people pray before eating. Vedic rules to offer Naivedya. Naivedya should be covered while bringing it in front of the god. Naivedya should be offered in the utensil of gold, silver, copper, stone, banana or lotus leaf, or of yagya, means sacrificial wood which is used in yagya. Naivedya should be kept on the right side of the deity. Naivedya which is kept on the left side is not suggested for eating for gods. When you offer Naivedya, first pray to the Ishta Devta, means your benevolent deity, and draw a mandal, means draw a circle using some water on the floor in front of the deity. You can also draw swastik using gandha. Then place the banana leaf or plate containing Naivedya on this mandal with the stalk of the leaf towards the deity and the tip of the leaf towards you. While offering Naivedya, water should be sprinkled clockwise around the banana leaf or the plate only once. Water should not be sprinkled anti-clockwise again. Water should be sprinkled on the Naivedya with 2 tulsi leaves. One leaf should be placed over the Naivedya and the second leaf should be offered at the god's holy feet. Then by taking tulsi leaf or flower in hand, one should act like feeding it to God. During this ritual, one should recite following verse associated with the Pancha Prana, means 5 vital energies. Om Pranaya Swaha, Om Apanaya Swaha, Om Vyanaya Swaha, Om Udanaya Swaha, Om Samanaya Swaha, Om Brahmane Swaha. Thereafter, pour little water into the tamhan, means a round copper dish used in puja, from the right hand and once again recite the mantra. Om Pranaya Swaha, Om Apanaya Swaha, Om Vyanaya Swaha, Om Udanaya Swaha, Om Samanaya Swaha, Om Brahmane Swaha. While preparing Naivedya, small amount of red chili, salt and oil should be used. Satvik. Sattva means predominant. Substances such as ghee should be used in sufficient quantity. Banana leaf should be used for offering Naivedya. Salt should not be served on the leaf prepared for Naivedya to a god. Naivedya should be pure and freshly cooked. It should not be half cooked or burnt. According to some religious texts, Naivedya should be pure and of 5 types. Those are for swallowing, biting, tasting, drinking, and licking. Bhav means spiritual emotion is important when offering any food item to a god. Greater the bhav of the individual offering Naivedya, greater is the possibility of the food being consumed by the god. While offering Naivedya, we should have a bhav that the Naivedya being offered by us is reaching the god and the god is consuming it. In Sagun Bhakti, God is similar to human being. He sleeps, drinks, eats, plays. A devotee has to worship him and care about him like his own. Another point of view is worship of God is done as a gratitude for the sense organs given to us. Naivedya is expression of gratitude towards the taste buds bestowed by God. A famous devotee, Sri Tadepalli Raghav Narayan Shastri, was so poor at one time that during the Navratri he only offered water as Naivedya to Devi Durga, and he was bestowed with an inexhaustible vessel means Akshay Patra by Devi Durga. That Akshay Patra is used to serve prasad to people every year and it feeds as many people as they would come on that particular day. God is okay with anything being offered as a Naivedya, as long as it is given with devotion. God is fine taking a leaf, a flower, a fruit, or even water as Naivedya. Offering Naivedya to God is not compulsory, but we eat things from the bounty of nature. Offering Naivedya to God is our way of thanking Him. So why refrain from saying thank you to God by offering Naivedya? That is all for today. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to Healthy Natural Remedies channel for more content. Feel free to leave comments below on what you would like to see in the future videos. Until next time, take care. Shubham Bhavatu.